Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows product key in case you have lost it and you need to reinstall your Windows. I will cover 3 different methods in this video. If you own pirated version of Windows, then of course you won't be able to find any product key. Also, if you activated your Windows with digital license, then it could happen that some methods won't show you your key. If your PC or laptop came with the key for the version of Windows you are running, then your key is stored in the computer's UEFI firmware or BIOS. And if you're installing same version of Windows on that PC, you don't even need the key. It should automatically activate your Windows without you needing to enter the key. Okay, now when you know all this, let's jump into the first method, and that would be over command prompt. Click on Start and type CMD. Right-click on command prompt up here and select Run as Administrator. On User Account Control window, click Yes. This will open CMD window. Here you will have to enter this command, which I will leave in this video description. So copy the command from the description and paste it here, and hit enter. As you see, it didn't work for me, as I activated my Windows with digital license linked to my Microsoft account. If it didn't work for you also, then you can try next method. Click on Start and type PowerShell. Right-click and Run as admin. You will also have this command in video description, so copy it, paste here and hit enter. If it failed again to show you your Windows key, then close PowerShell and continue to next method. Click on Start and type Microsoft Store. Select it up here. In search box, type Show Key Plus and select this app with this icon. Click on Get and it will be installed on your computer. After that, click on Open to run this app. Once the app is running, under Home option, you will see all this information about your Windows, like product name and ID, build version, and here we have installed key. That will be your Windows product key. If your PC came with pre-installed copy of Windows, then you will also have this OEM key, which will be the same as your installed key. And that was all 3 methods how you can find your Windows product key. At the end of this video, I just want to show you how you can find information about your Windows license, if you don't know already. Click on Start and select Settings. Now select Update and Security. On the left side pane, click on Activation. And here you can see your activation info. As you see, like I said, my copy of Windows is activated with digital license linked to my Microsoft account. And that would be all for this video. Please hit that like button if it helped you. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee as a sign of appreciation, you can hit thanks button. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel with the bell on, so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.